Hello, everyone.
Hi there.
Welcome to Pronounce Faster, your podcast for learning natural English.
We make fluency fun through shadowing and real conversations.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Mike.
New listeners, let's explain shadowing quickly.
Shadowing means you repeat everything we say.
Listen and copy our voice, rhythm, and pronunciation.
Don't worry about being perfect, just keep going.
Ready? Let's start shadowing.
We're here in our recording studio today.
Today we're learning more essential everyday sentences.
Part 2 of our practical phrases series.
Perfect for beginner and intermediate learners.
Let's start with weather and small talk.
These help you connect with people.
Nice weather today, isn't it?
Nice weather today, isn't it?
It's quite cold outside.
It's quite cold outside.
I hope it doesn't rain.
I hope it doesn't rain.
Beautiful day.
Beautiful day.
What a lovely morning.
What a lovely morning. Now phrases for at home and with neighbours.
These help you communicate where you live.
Could you turn down the music, please?
Could you turn down the music, please?
I'm expecting a package today.
I'm expecting a package today.
Have you seen my cat?
Have you seen my cat?
Would you like to come in?
Would you like to come in?
Thanks for keeping an eye on things.
Thanks for keeping an eye on things. Let's practice health and feeling phrases.
Important for talking about how you feel.
I have a headache.
I have a headache.
I'm feeling much better today.
I'm feeling much better today.
I need to take my medicine.
I need to take my medicine.
Get well soon.
Get well soon.
Take care of yourself.
Take care of yourself.
I should rest for a while.
I should rest for a while. Now making plans and invitations.
Great for social situations.
Are you free this weekend?
Are you free this weekend?
Would you like to join us?
Would you like to join us?
Let's meet at 6 o'clock.
Let's meet at 6 o'clock.
I'm sorry, I can't make it.
I'm sorry, I can't make it.
That sounds like fun.
That sounds like fun.
I'd love to come.
I'd love to come. At the bank and post office phrases.
Useful for important errands.
I'd like to send this package.
I'd like to send this package.
I need to withdraw some money.
I need to withdraw some money.
Where do I sign?
Where do I sign?
How long will it take?
How long will it take?
What's the tracking number?
What's the tracking number? Expressing opinions and feelings.
These show what you think.
I think that's a good idea.
I think that's a good idea.
I'm not sure about that.
I'm not sure about that.
That sounds interesting.
That sounds interesting.
I don't mind either way.
I don't mind either way.
I completely agree with you.
I completely agree with you. Apologizing and thanking phrases.
Essential for polite communication.
I'm sorry for being late.
I'm sorry for being late.
No problem at all.
No problem at all.
I really appreciate your help.
I really appreciate your help.
You're very welcome.
You're very welcome.
I apologize for the confusion.
I apologize for the confusion.
Thank you so much for everything.
Thank you so much for everything. Finally, giving and asking for directions.
Super helpful when traveling.
Go straight ahead.
Go straight ahead.
Turn left at the traffic light.
Turn left at the traffic light.
It's on your right side.
It's on your right side.
You can't miss it.
You can't miss it.
It's about 5 minutes away.
It's about 5 minutes away.
Keep walking until you see the sign.
Keep walking until you see the sign. Let's review the most important phrases.
Practice these regularly.
Nice weather today, isn't it?
Nice weather today, isn't it?
I'm feeling much better today.
I'm feeling much better today.
Are you free this weekend?
Are you free this weekend?
I'd like to send this package.
I'd like to send this package.
I think that's a good idea.
I think that's a good idea.
I'm sorry for being late.
I'm sorry for being late.
Go straight ahead.
Go straight ahead.
I really appreciate your help.
I really appreciate your help. These phrases will help you every day.
Use them in real conversations.
Don't be shy about practicing.
The more you use them, the easier they become.
Great job shadowing with us today.
You're building essential communication skills.
Practice makes progress.
And remember to subscribe.
Click the like button.
Share with your friends who are learning English.
Thank you for listening today.
Keep practicing your English.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, Mike.
Goodbye, Sarah.
Pronounce faster.